In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create staff accounts on your Shopify store. This is an essential process if you're looking to expand your team or simply need to manage permissions effectively across your store. It'll ensure that your staff can access what they need without giving them unnecessary control over the entire store, protecting your business's integrity and security. Let's start by heading into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, take a look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You're going to want to click on Settings. This is where you'll find the controls for various aspects of your store, including user management. Settings in Shopify can sometimes feel a little overwhelming because of all the options available, but don't worry, we're focusing on just a few key steps today. Next, from the list of options, locate and click on Users on the left panel. This is going to drop down a menu where you'll find everything you need related to user accounts. Once you have that drop-down, you'll notice an option labeled Roles. Go ahead and click on Roles. In this section, you'll find a list of the default roles Shopify provides, as well as any custom roles that may have already been created in your store. Default roles are helpful, but creating custom roles allows you to tailor permissions perfectly to different responsibilities in your team, making operations smoother and more efficient. Whether you're looking to add new roles or modify existing ones, this section is essential. Now, if you need a role that isn't quite covered by Shopify's defaults, it's easy to create your own. Simply click on Create Role at the top right of the page. This is your opportunity to define a new role name, give it a helpful description to clarify its purpose, and most importantly, set the appropriate permissions. Permissions are critical because they determine what each role can see and do in your Shopify store. Be thoughtful in assigning these, as it directly affects what your staff can manage and access. Once you're satisfied with the role you've created, it's time to assign it to your staff. Head back over to Users on the left panel. Here, you can select from the list of your existing staff and apply the roles you've set up. Simply choose a staff member, and in their user settings, assign them the correct role. This ensures they have the right access necessary to perform their duties effectively. And that's it. You've successfully created a staff account with a specific role and permissions in your Shopify store. By managing roles carefully, you're empowering your team to work effectively while keeping your business operations secure. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes managing your store that much easier. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling!